Guys, welcome back. Let's learn Adobe Illustrator in 30 days. Now we are learning lesson number 3. Let's set up a document and start using Adobe Illustrator. The most traditional way, all programs, like go to file and then click on new, and you can see there are other options popping up. You can see a lot of stuff here in advance. We are not gonna worry about for a second right away. You are looking a lot of options on the screen. Click on more settings here. Okay, let's make it simple. Let's say how many artboards you need. You may start with one. Before that, the best way is to name the document. So let's name something like this. Your document profile, you can choose from the standard sizes like A4, A3, letter, and so on. You can choose the type of units, that is, units are points, picas, inches, millimeters, pixels, etc. For print, we best use inches or millimeters. If you really want, you can change the sizes. Let's do that so we can feel for it. For print, I keep the letter profile, and now we have this bleed. Now, what is bleed? There is a question here. Bleed is, in simple terms, a print cutoff area or safe design area. For print profile, we always have 0.125 inches bleed in all top, bottom, left, and right. And always make sure the color mode you are choosing. You can see CMYK and RGB in the color mode. CMYK is nothing but cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, and RGB is nothing but red, green, and blue. If you are setting up a document for printing, you should use CMYK with raster effects with 300 dpi, that is dots per inch. If you are setting up a web document, you should use RGB and rasterize effects with 72 dpi, that is dots per inch. Now all that being said, work up the courage and hit OK. And